Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Good gosh, check out this one, guys. So today I am in Hubert, North Carolina, over here at Future Homes. If you're looking to build on the East Coast, definitely check them out. Today we are going to go through the Madison plan. The Madison consists of an optional front porch, so you're going to pick all that out. I love the double gable look there. I love how this porch has some different dimensions to it. Got some shape, so you kind of go up here. Got that nice recessed door there, which is nice, rare to see. Kind of have your alleyway or bridge to the larger sitting area, which is cool. I could definitely see myself out here. It's just different. Got the recessed door like I already mentioned. Let's go in here and check it out. Look at those tall 9-foot ceilings, the coffered ceiling there in the living room. Fancy. So I'm just out of that foyer area. As you can see, it is a nice big open concept. I want to backtrack just a step or two. When you walk in that front door, you are greeted by a nice coat closet. Can't go wrong with that. I love the modern insert fireplace there. Really cool stuff. That big sliding glass door, windows on each side. Basically have 4 humongous windows there, along with 2 in that dining space. It's a big house. Huge dining space. I can't imagine wanting much more than this. Crown molding throughout. Got that nice luxury vinyl plank flooring in the main space. Really big living room, it really is. And you got this big island kitchen. I mean, look at that thing. There's that espresso cabinet color. I mean, you want to talk about cabinets? We've got 2 corner cabinets. Cabinets over the fridge, a lazy Susan there in the corner. Big double window over the sink. Another corner cabinet. Cabinets in the island. Cabinets over the microwave. Cabinets everywhere. All right, so to the right, bath 2 is going to be on my left. Good old fiberglass tub shower combo. To my right is a bedroom. To my left, another linen closet. Here's the first of the spare bedrooms. Big double window. Let's check out this closet. You guys always get on to me when I don't show you the spare closets. So again, this is the Madison plan. It is a 1-level ranch, 3-bed, 2-bath. Here's that 3rd bedroom. They actually said this particular model is for sale. So that's interesting. So get with me on that if you've got questions. This is the Madison model at the Future Homes in Hubert. Got the pull down, the nice cubby bench area there. And people always get confused with that. Just because, you know, just because we sell a model doesn't mean that the plan is discontinued. Check this out. So you've got, so this is your utility room. You've got a office area, cabinetry, countertops, and then there's your utility area, or washer and dryer area, utility room sink. That's cool. Yeah, so like we're selling our Salem model in Burlington. We're at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina. I'm Shields with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. But yeah, we're selling our Salem model, and that doesn't mean the plan is discontinued. We're just selling that physical model. So don't ever misinterpret that if you hear me reference we're selling a model or something like that. It's not very often, so don't get too excited, but it does happen from time to time. So just remember that. Master suite time. Wow. Big, big room. Just love the 9-foot ceilings. Still yet, you know, carpet always going to be included in the bedrooms. If you want to go to flooring throughout, you can. You've seen videos where people have done that. Just an incredible master bath here. Got the big garden tub to my right. The little fancy archways. Not a water closet, but might as well be. You got plenty of privacy. The big 4x8 shower, which have become so popular with the bench and the ceramic tile and all that. Oh, this looks cool. So you got your master closet. Oh, wow. Yeah, plenty of space. Wraparound shelving, of course, and the little bench area, which is unique. All right. All my stuff is down there at the bottom, but I do want to give you my email, Shields, SHIELDS, if you have specific questions, want to get a better idea on pricing. I don't get into a lot of pricing because everybody's situation is unique. If I tell you this number, you might be a totally different scenario, and that number could change drastically. So I like to talk a little bit more privately once I kind of know what you need, what you don't need, what kind of project you're looking for, then I can more accurately give you a ballpark cost. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy.